Hey there, fellow bakers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of cake making and create a delicious vanilla cake. So, let's get started. First, we'll need some key ingredients: vanilla extract, milk, flour, eggs, and baking powder. Now, let's mix the dry ingredients together in a bowl, and in a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Slowly, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until everything is well combined. Once you have a smooth batter, pour it into a greased and floured pan. Bake it in the oven at 350 F175C for about 25–30 minutes. And voila! You've got a fluffy, moist vanilla cake. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't perfect. Keep baking and you'll soon be a pro. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more baking tips and tricks. Happy baking!